Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Now today I'm going to share with you 3 fun facts about TikTok that no one told you about. What you will learn today: there are more iPhone users that downloaded TikTok app than Android phone user. So what can you do with this information? 41% of users are between 16 to 24 years old, teenager, and how does this matter to you? And there are more than 1 billion videos viewed every single day. Why does this matter to your business? Now, first of all, consumer online purchase is an ongoing trend, and now more and more consumers are purchasing products from their mobile phone. This will be an ever-increasing trend. And knowing that more iPhone users are actually on TikTok means that you can spend your marketing effort on the Apple Store or simply by creating supporting apps for TikTok that's related to your business or related to TikTok as a company. There are a lot of side products that came out, for example, the sticker editing apps for TikTok and the text editing app for TikTok. So all these are the trending apps right now. And by understanding the demographics of teenager means that teenagers are getting into gaming products, VR games, fun related stuff that will work well. So if you speak to the right group of people, you could market your products if you are in the gaming industry or you are looking into 5G apps or programs or products, because eventually we will be moving towards 5G. And who are the user? You know who they are. Now, big brands would also be shifting their marketing effort slowly towards TikTok platform. So as the platform users mature, right now they are pretty young, maybe they are less than, some of them are between 10 to 20 years old or even younger. But however, at this mature, we can see that from the China market, for example, TikTok China version, which is Douyin, are more popular among the adults. So why is this so? And there's a lot of influencers that's having tons and tons of followers, and they are doing live shows every night and making tens of thousands from orders by promoting certain brands. Don't you think the big brands will leverage on all this influencer eventually? So major big brands in China are already running ads to target buyers. And especially you have a gaming apps, they will be targeting users from TikTok. And just bear in mind that TikTok actually have a huge base of over 800 million users. Yes, 800 millions, and over 1 billion videos viewed every single day. And you can be sure that the ads that serve can reach a wider audience quickly. And in this era, we know that speed is very important, especially speed to the market, and your company need to compete on in the next 5 years. You need to get on to the platform that can give you speed of acquiring new customer. So at the end of the day, whoever acquires the most customer wins the game. So in summary, while most people are still treating TikTok lightly as a fun, entertaining platform, I would suggest that if you are a startup company or you're a branded company, to get into TikTok and build up your online presence fast. Because if you don't, some other influencer that build millions and millions of tons of followers, those are the people that you'll be paying money to them to advertise your products eventually. So rather that you start a channel and to get your own fan, if not, you have to pay all the influencers. The influencers that getting fans in terms of the millions will be very, very easy for them. I have tested out this platform. It's very easy for you to get 100,000 fans in a simply couple of months, and the potential of this platform is extremely explosive. And one thing about TikTok you need to know is that real content get posted and shared, because the content that's being shared on TikTok are genuine, and you can see that people don't just post nice photos or achievement videos, and they also post their ups and downs, plus highly interactive comments can be seen unlike any other platform. Now why is this so? Because there is an interaction that took place, and people on this platform, they are probably younger and they want to be heard. So that's why they will get view and likes, so they will comment. And you can check out all those with millions of fans and likes influencer, they have a lot of comments. So TikTok allows you to target audience that you can build your fine targeting. Yeah, and people are either watching video or posting video daily on this platform. It's very easy to forget about time after a few swipes and you're lost in the zone. So a lot of people spend more time on TikTok than any other platform now. And it's extremely easy to gain a huge fan base quickly if your video becomes viral. And there are no specific video that will necessarily get you millions of views or millions of likes and fans. But however, the most entertaining videos are like dancing videos, singing type, short videos that get served the most. And the use of correct hashtag does play an important part in determining whether your video will be shown to a wider audience. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.